Yeah, I get depressed. It does get to me. I suppose one of the big issues for me was trying to look after country and doing a lot of things on cattle. But in the meantime, my wife and my daughter ended up with mental health issues. So I ended up becoming a carer, basically.
Mostly I worked and lived with non-Indigenous people. So I was the only full blood in the gang. There was a gang of 20 of us. There's a lot of racism as well. Racism was a big part. At times I'd go home on my roster days off and I felt like afraid just to go down to the shopping centre or to go out, so I stayed home.
I did have a bit of depression. I had my 3 children and I had 2 miscarriages when I had them. And yeah, the amount of depression that you go through with that was really hard.
My high school days, just as I turned 15, I think, my mother and father split. Fell down a little dark hole at one point.
I sort of wondered how I didn't go down that gurgle. I really did, because it was sort of being tested. For me, I think because I'd already gone through episodes before, I realised that what was being said and what was being done wasn't the lady that I loved.
I looked towards culture. Culture played a big part. When I felt down and depressed, I think about songs, island songs, Murray Island songs, and I'll sing them. Or I think about when I was growing up on Mare.
Family plays a big part, especially our mothers, our grandmothers, our aunties. Women are really resilient, and I think if we keep that connection between our mothers and our grandmothers, we tend to overcome our problems a lot quicker and a lot easier.
Basically, any time I go back to country, it just recharges my batteries. It makes me feel good, gives me a sense of purpose. Really brings my level up out of the depression. It really is something that, whether it's me or what, but that island does have a lot of healing powers. Sometimes if you talk to someone, it's the first step in the healing process, and really just by saying that to someone, it can really open doors. Even if a stranger might be able to give you advice on who to see and make you think about maybe just going to see the doctor for a start.
I think if things get really bad, I think it's really important that we use our family networks, but it's also important to actually seek medical advice as well. Go and see your GP, get checked out. There's lots that they can do for you and lots of advice, good advice they can give you how to overcome all your problems.
We all have good and bad days, but if you've been feeling down or like something's not right, it's important to reach out. Connect to Wellbeing can help you find support that's right for you. Talk to your local GP or community health service and connect to Wellbeing.